This morning, we're making some French toast. Good morning, everybody. This morning, we're making the best, the type of French toast that your kids and your wife, your family is going to be begging you to make on any weekend and on those holidays. I've been cooking for a long time, and my wife literally told me this is the best thing I've ever made. So typically, I put everything in a bowl and whisk it. We're going to work smarter, not harder. International coffee creamer. Cinnabon flavor. We want 2 cups. Some cinnamon. 2 eggs. Once we have this assembled like the Avengers in Endgame, we're going to put our lid on. Delicious mixture. Dump it into a bowl, plain and simple. And now our bread. Yes, the bread. Now you might be asking, Joey, what you plan on doing with that? This is the way you complete the infinity gauntlet, okay? This French toast with my secret weapon. We put it on that heat. It's simple. Apples. We're gonna take our apples. These are Honeycrisp, and take our apples. We're just gonna cut them a little bit thinner. Apples. Lord. In our bowl. And that eat down a little bit. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lemon, maybe 3. Then we're gonna do pineapple juice, and with our apples. Half a teacup. Get it, teacup. Half a teacup of ground brown sugar. Alright, so next up, our French toast. It's simple and very easy. Perfecto, perfecto. It was perfecto, okay? Perfecto. Oh, buddy. Oh, perfect golden brown. Look at that. Oh, my. Alright, so here you gotta see the consistency of the apples have changed. That's what we're aiming for. Do a taste test. Oh, that's. I just gotta feel it. Those are ready. We're gonna take those off the burner. burner on. I just do like 4 little flips. Ready. Check this. Alright, let's finish this French toast out. This Paw Patrol shape. Oh. What? Guarantee you, you make this for your kids, for your wife, for somebody, they're falling in love. You want that person to fall in love with you. We have our delicious French toast. Voulez-vous manger? We have our French toast. Cinnabon International Delight French toast with Crackle Barrel apples on top. The perfect bite. Yup. This is Adele right here. Set fire. And we're going to call it a day there. If you enjoyed this video, check the description below. I do have a Facebook page now. Go over there and follow me. I'll update stuff over there. Make sure you like and subscribe. And leave a comment. If you tried this, if you enjoyed it, whatever. Let's talk. Catch you later. Keep it simple. I love you.